In this video, I'll show you how much YouTube paid me with 168,000 views and 3,500 plus subscribers. Hi and welcome to this channel. If this is your first time on the channel, you are welcome. After watching this video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so first of all, a quick disclaimer here. This channel is about affiliate marketing and how to make money online. So with that established, let's get straight into the video. Alright, so on your avatar or your logo, click on it and click on YouTube Studio. As you can see, I have 3,544 subscribers so far. So I'll go to analytics and we'll get a proper breakdown. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, alright? So let's go to lifetime of this channel. So click on this and lifetime. And by the way, I need to show you when this channel was monetized. Right click, I don't want to close this. So open a new tab and I'll just move it over here. So this channel was monetized on May 21st, 2021. So it's like 1 year and about 3 months. Alright, so exactly 1 year and 3 months. So just for you to have an idea, so please be patient. It might take you 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. Alright, so don't rush it and don't quit. Alright, so let's go back. As you can tell, I have 168.2 thousand views, 3.5 thousand subscribers, and the moment you've been waiting for. And the amount I've made so far with these views and subscribers is $3,129.29 US. Alright, so yours might differ. You might have different figures. One thing you have to realize is the niche of your channel determines how much you earn, the country of your channel, alright, and the consistency. The more you upload videos, the more money you're gonna get because of the ads, okay? Alright, so right now I'm gonna show you the breakdown. Alright, so let's go to revenue and lifetime revenue. So far, like you saw, this is the amount and this is what I'm getting and this is what advertisers are willing to pay. It used to be $100 and something, but because I don't upload consistently and I've been off this channel for like almost 2 months, effect on your income. That's why it's always good to upload consistently. I have to keep uploading just to boost my CPM and RPM because $18 is not enough. Alright, so this is not all. This is just the last 6 months. It's okay. I'll just use what I have right now, but it's over 1 year. But I'll use what I have so far. And I just want to show you the top earning contents, top earning videos. So my top earning videos are how to create email list, email sequence, and connect it to Builder or Cheetah website builder. And this is a software or online marketing tool. So advertisers are willing to bid more on it because this is how to make money online or with. Okay, so anything around that, you get more money. And most of my videos talk about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to create websites, landing pages and stuff like that, including email marketing campaigns, domains. So all this, you get good money. I've made 282.21 so far and the list goes on. Okay, so these are my top 5 videos, okay, in terms of earning. So for instance, if I go into this, and the reason why I make a lot of money with this video is because so if I have 8.7 thousand views with 135 subscribers and I've earned 282.21, and I'll show you more of the breakdown. Let's go to revenue, and when you check it, my playback, my CPM is 164.12 and my RPM is 32.44. It should be like 55% of this, but even though I get views from US, majority comes from Indian and other countries. So let me just show you what I mean. So let's say right now, so let me show you what I mean. My audience. So as you can tell, majority of my audience are from United States, followed by Nigeria and India. So it has impact on my earning as well. So let's go to reach. Mostly from YouTube search, which is 53.33%. Suggested videos 16.9. This is really good. Browse features. So this is what you need. So YouTube search, suggested videos and browse features, these are really good, especially if YouTube is suggesting your videos and your videos are showing up on browser, on YouTube browse feed, okay, or browse features, this is really good. And YouTube search is my top traffic source because as a beginner, nobody knows you. So you have to make sure your videos are well optimized just so you can appear on the front page, okay? So, and these are the other breakdowns: impression, views, okay? YouTube search terms. So people are searching for BDR email marketing, okay? BDR tutorial, BDR mailing tutorial, BDR mailing boss tutorial, email marketing, BDR. All right. So when people search for this, and I have as part of my keywords, this video will pop up, okay? So you have to optimize your videos really well, and the list goes on. I just want to give you a quick breakdown. Now let's go back. Second video is about BDR again, and again the money is really good on that. And the third one, but let me show you this one quick. And this one is strictly about affiliate marketing platforms, so like ClickBank and Amazon and stuff like that, okay? So this one is called Digistore24, and this is from Germany, I believe. So let me show you something quick. So when you look at this one, so far the revenue, I have 137.07 so far. Advertisers are willing to pay $55.01, and trust me, this changes all the time, okay? Depending by Christmas or something, this can go high. And this is my CPM on it, and getting 21.59 CPM RPM, and this is the RPM 21.59 R, and getting this as RPM for affiliate marketing is really good. All right, so the more views I get, the better. So every 1,000 views gives me 21.59. So if I get, let's say, so if I get 3,000 views today on this video, which mostly you will not get for affiliate marketing because it's too much competition, you're gonna multiply this by 3, okay? Then that's what you're gonna get for the day. All right, so let me show you one more thing here. Okay, so let's look into one of these. So let's see this, for instance. So the revenue, see, this one is $258.2. That means this month or this week, advertisers are placing more ad on this video, and I have 57.77 cents RPM, which is really awesome. So every 1,000 view, I'll get this. So if I get 3,000, that means 3 times this. And 1 year, 10 months later, I got monetized. Just for you to know that you need to take it easy. So is it worth it? To me, it's worth it because I've earned this amount of money so far, and I'm using this channel to promote affiliate products. I'm making money out of that, but for sure you will make more money than this one with affiliate marketing depending on how you push your product. And also, but if you are solely depending on this as your income, then I think it will not worth it. So the best, don't quit your job. YouTube should be your side hustle until you make it big, okay? Because right now the competition is really high when it comes to YouTube. Just to motivate you, all right, to let you know that you can earn money from YouTube, but whether you can depend on it or not is solely up to you, okay? So thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until next time, take care and have a wonderful day. Bye for now.